Another way is to do it in, you can take I love Python now. This is the another way, and I will explain line by line. Here star a comma b equal to aux, and I will explain second line clearly, like star a comma b equal to aux. This is the line. Here aux is a list which you are passing to a function. I love, suppose I think these two are words in the list. This line represents a tuple in Python. This line represents, it will take, will assign Python. This is the list now. Copy, let us copy. Here in this line, A will assign first three words because comma B is there under assignment variable. So you need to assign last variable to the B. So it will take I love Python, and B will take X of it. This is the strings I am telling for example purpose. To explain clearly, I am explaining this. So I love and Python are strings, and extra also string. So like this way it will take star a comma b equal to aux. Now let us see for I in a. In a there are I love and Python. So first it will print I means it will take I. First initial assignment 0 means a of 0 means I will take I, and it will separate with dash, and next it will take another element in the list. It will take love and Python, and afterwards it will return B because at last you have to assign not symbol. So let us see the output was. Thank you for seeing my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.